Welcome to our channel. Dish Network's streaming app brings your favorite channels to your smart TV without the need for satellite equipment. Follow these steps to activate the app and start watching. Step 1. Turn on your smart TV and use your remote to navigate to the App Store or streaming marketplace available on your device. Step 2. In the search function, type Dish Anywhere or Dish Network to find the official streaming application. Step 3. Select the correct Dish Network app from the search results and click Install or Download to add it to your smart TV. Step 4. Once the installation is complete, open the Dish Network app from your list of installed applications. Step 5. The app will present you with sign-in options. Select Sign In or activate your device, depending on what's displayed. Step 6. An activation code will appear on your TV screen along with instructions to visit a specific website on another device. Step 7. Using a computer, smartphone, or tablet, open a web browser and go to dishanywhere.com, activate or the URL shown on your TV. Step 8. Sign in with your Dish Network account username and password. Then enter the activation code displayed on your TV screen. Submit the code and your TV app will activate within moments. You can now access live TV, recordings from your DVR, and on-demand content directly on your smart TV. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.